Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the nail drill. First, familiarize yourself with your nail drill's main parts, including the handpiece, power box, and foot pedal. Next, choose the correct drill bit for your task, such as a barrel bit for surface work or a cone bit for cuticle areas. Always start with a very low revolutions per minute setting, perhaps around 5,000 RPM, to ensure safety and control, gradually increasing as needed. Holding the handpiece like a pencil provides the best control and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Apply only light, consistent pressure, allowing the drill to do the work, which prevents heat buildup and potential damage to the natural nail. Always move the drill bit in one continuous direction across the nail surface, avoiding a sawing motion, which can cause grooves or injury. This technique ensures a smooth, even finish. Selecting the right drill bit and RPM is crucial for different tasks. For natural nails and delicate finishing, use a fine grit bit at a lower RPM, perhaps between 5,000 and 10,000. When working with gel or acrylic, a medium grit bit at 10,000 to 15,000 RPM is effective for shaping and refining. For quick product removal, a coarse grit bit at 15,000 to 20,000 RPM can be used, but with extreme caution. Proper maintenance extends the life of your nail drill and ensures client safety. After each use, thoroughly clean and sanitize all drill bits to prevent cross-contamination. Store your drill and bits in a dedicated, clean, and dry case to protect them from dust and damage. Periodically inspect your drill for loose connections or unusual noises, addressing any issues promptly to maintain optimal performance and safety standards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.